beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be reviewing Florence by Mills. They were so kind to send me some product and I figured let's get right on into this video and see what they're all about. Alright, let's get into this review. So what Florence by Mills sent me was some stickers, and then they sent me the London Calling kit. So what the London Calling has is the Get Gloss Lip Gloss, Built to Lash Mascara, and the Bow Under Eye Gel Pads. The Lips on the Horizon has the Hit Snooze Lip Mask and the Oh Whale Tinted Lip Balm. The Oh Whale throws me off every time I try to say it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the under eye gel pads and the lip mask, and then that way I can do my eyeshadow and my eyebrows, and then I'll do my face, and then we can do the mascara and the gloss and try out all the other products. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to Florence by Mills for sending me these products. I am so excited to try them. I haven't tried anything from them yet. This is gonna be very exciting. Okay, so these are what the gel pads look like. Oh my gosh, they're little bows. Wait, that's so cute. They're little bows. That is so cute. I've actually never seen under eye gel pads in different shapes. I mean, I guess it makes sense since they're literally called bow under eye gel pads, but they're really cute. Now we're gonna try the Hit Snooze lip mask, so then I can put it on with the gel pads and then do my eyes and then finish off the face. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's like this. Whoa, this is a really interesting, look. Texture, it feels like really hard jello. Okay, I'm kind of in a dancing mood. So now I'm gonna let these set, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then we'll get back when we can do the mascara and the lips and kind of get the tea on that. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my makeup. I did just my simple everyday routine that I've been doing lately. So the next thing I'm gonna try is the mascara. This is what the wand looks like. So I do have at home lash extensions on my upper eyes, so we're just gonna do my lower eye mascara, which honestly to me I feel shows me best how good the mascara is, because if it crinkles and falls out throughout the day, that's really how I know. Okay, because the wand is super big, you do kind of get mascara under your lashes, if you know what I mean. I'm not amazed by the mascara, but I've seen better and I've seen worse. I think I am gonna use my normal mascara that I would use just because the wand is so thick. It's really hard for me to get in there. Okay, next I'm gonna try the Candy Cane Oh Well Tinted Lip Balm. That's actually pretty cute. This is definitely something I would give to someone just starting out with makeup, not necessarily something someone like me who's been in the makeup industry and uses makeup a ton would reach for, just because I prefer a wand. But someone younger and just starting out in makeup, this is honestly the perfect product. I'm gonna wipe this off now, and then we're gonna try the gloss. Okay, this is in the shade Rosy Lee. Okay, so it is a really metallic lip gloss, but I love it. I think it's super cute, and it feels super good on the lips, and it's not sticky. It's not sticking to each other, which is amazing for lip gloss. The lip mask and the lip gloss are my two favorite products that I've tried from this, for sure. For my honest review, when we're getting down to the final points of where I tell you if I think it is worth it or not, the two things that I think are truly worth it, and if you do want to get something from Florence by Mills, are the two things to get are definitely the Hit Snooze lip mask. This I am definitely going to be keeping by my bedside table from now on. I genuinely really love this. Love the way that it felt on my lips. Love the way that it made my lips look. They just looked so gorgeous and plump and just very very clean and nice. So the Hit Snooze lip mask is definitely 10 out of 10 for me. I loved it. The other item would be the Rosy Lee lip gloss. Even though it's a metallic lip gloss, I feel it looks so elegant and beautiful, and It just makes your lips look so good. So these two are definitely 10 out of 10. From a makeup artist, like, would definitely use these. The item that's more on my middle scale is the tinted lip balm. It gave off amazing color and pigment. I just don't see myself going for something like this. But if you are newer to the makeup industry or are gifting someone who is going to be newer to the makeup industry, this is a really nice gift because it's honestly just a chapstick with a little bit of pigment in it. So this can be a really good gift to just kind of get someone started in the makeup industry. I also really liked the Bow Under Eye Gel Pads. They were really cute. I thought they were fun. I love doing under eye gel pads and I use tons of different ones all the time. So those are honestly, you can't really miss with those. So I really liked them. The only time that I would really be against an under eye gel pad would be if it caused any irritation or burning or anything like that. The item that I didn't love was the mascara, and mascaras are really hard and like honestly kind of personal to you and your eye shape. I really like thin wands just because it's really easy for me to work with, and some people really like thick wands and doing stuff like that, so it really just depends. I also feel like it didn't do a great job of layering. In my honest opinion, it was kind of hard to get it to build and create kind of like a harsher under eye with the mascara. So that was just, in my honest opinion, I felt like the mascara could have been better. But overall, I really liked it. I had never tried Florence by Millis before, and I was so honored that they were willing to send me product to try out. And I am obsessed with the Hit Snooze lip mask. Can't stop thinking about it. Hit Snooze lip mask and the gloss were definitely my two favorites, and I will be using them all the time from now on. They are going to be put into my everyday use sections of my makeup room. So that is exciting. It's always exciting when you get products that you're like, okay, wait, I genuinely do really love this. So I'm excited to do that and apply that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't be afraid to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.